Hey guys, this is E. Happy New Year to everyone out there. 2019, can you believe it? Oh my goodness. But anyway, I wanted to just drop in real quick today because I know everybody's busy with New Year's happenings and ball games and all that kind of stuff. But I wanted to drop in real quick and just remind everybody that at 10 o'clock in the morning, Central Standard Time, I'm in Alabama, so that'll be Central Standard Time. The kits will go live so that you can go on there and purchase your kit. Now, the reason I keep reminding everybody is, number one, we've had such an overwhelming response for this, and people wanting them. You know, probably over 60 people have already said they want one. Well, we were only able to get 40 kits for February. Now, that doesn't mean that, you know, you're never going to get to sign up if you don't get in that 40. That just means that you won't get a February kit. The reason being is because we kind of got a little bit of a late start on this with the holidays and everything. We got a little bit of late start on ordering, so we could only get 40 of the paper packs that we're putting in the kits. So, therefore, 40 kits is all that we're going to be able to sell for February. But if you sign up and the 40 is gone, then you will be in line for the March kit. That just means that you're going to be right in there for March. So don't worry about it. You will get your money's worth, believe me. I just put this little sign here. This is going to be our logo. Of course, it's going to be a lot smaller and it's going to be a different color. My printer is out of one of the colors of ink, so therefore this is looking a little bit blue, and it's supposed to be teal. Of course, that's my color. But we will have little logos printed that will go on top of the boxes, and it'll say E Club Kit. Most all of the kits will go inside of one of these reusable waterproof zipper pouches. So as much of the product as we can, we will put in here. In most of them, there may be some months that I have to put them in something else because some of the things may not fit in here. So this is just going to be some of the months. So look forward to that. We've had lots of questions, and I'm going to run over some of those questions real quick. I did post on my Facebook pages and everything about the questions, but I'll run over those real quick with you and make sure that you know the answers to most all of these questions. And then, of course, if you do have any other questions, you can put them in the comments below and I'll answer just as fast as I can. Okay, we only have less than 20 hours because I put the countdown has begun, and I want you to be ready. It will be over on our .com store, so that will be www.scrapbookingwithme.com. That's where it will be. It should be right there on the front page, so you'll be able to see it. I'll put a direct link in the morning. I'll post direct links everywhere that I can find, so you shouldn't have any problem finding where to sign up. All right, we've had multiple questions about, is the May stamp set one that is already in her store? The answer is no. This stamp set that she is making for us will be made every month directly for our kit. It will not be one that she already has in the store. It will not be one that isn't in her club kits. So now this is not to say that she may not sell it in her store later after our kit, but we get the first run that goes in our kits. So keep that in mind. No, it is not one that is in your kit club. So if you're in the May Kit Club, you're not going to get doubles. This is going to be specifically made for our kits each month. Okay, I had more people ask, can we pay with PayPal? I have it set up where you can pay with PayPal, debit card, or credit card. So you can pay either of those ways. I have all of that set up already. Do we have to re-sign up each month? No, this is just like any other reoccurring kit club, or just like May's stamp club that you're in. Every month, if you sign up on the 2nd, every month on the 2nd, your payment will come out until you cancel. When you cancel, then yes, you would have to re-sign up again to get your kit started. But once you sign up, you're in the kit club and you're guaranteed a kit every month. Do you ship international? Now, I've covered this quite a few times, but I'm going to go over it one more time. if you are international, you can sign up, but you will be responsible for paying your shipping. We did not add the shipping in the cost of the kits. I had that question too. The kits are retailed at $45 to $48 retail. That's product, and we're selling them for $34.95. So the cost of the shipping is not included in the kit. It's just that we're going to give you free shipping on top of that. Now, if you're international, when you sign up, when I see your international, or when the people that's helping sees your international address on there, we will automatically turn around and send you an invoice for your shipping. We'll calculate your shipping, send you an invoice. You will pay only the shipping that cost us. You're not going to pay more, nothing like that. I'm not going to upcharge you on shipping. You'll pay just the shipping that it cost us. So if it cost us $18 to ship it to you, then you'll pay $18. Your kit will not ship out until the $18 shipping or whatever, until your shipping invoice is paid. So that's how we're going to have to do international. Let's see. Can we drop the membership anytime? Yes, you can cancel anytime and rejoin anytime. The only thing is, if you cancel, you will not get the 15% discount. You have to be an active member to get the 15% discount to our store. So keep that in mind as well. Will I have enough supplies to make both the projects from your PDF and the YouTube video that you'll be doing? Yes, you will have more than enough product in your kit to make both the projects that I will be showing, plus you'll have a lot left over that you can do other things with. You will have, in each kit each month, you will have some things that you can reuse over and over, just like the stamp set, ink pads. Those are things that you're not going to use up, so those are things that you can use over and over and over again. So you'll have lots of things in there that's going to help you get your supplies going. But yes, you will have plenty enough to make both of the projects. I will be making both of those projects out of the products that's going to be in the kit. When will kits be mailed out? The kits will be mailed out on the 6th and the 7th of each month. Now, the reason I'm saying the 6th and the 7th is because if we have 100 kits, it may take us a couple of days. So I'm going to give myself 2 days to get kits mailed out. They may all get mailed out on the 6th if we have the time to do that. But if it falls on a weekend, of course, if the 6th falls on a weekend, on a Sunday, you know the mail does not run. If it falls on Saturday, our mail cuts off at 12 o'clock. So it's a possibility that it could go over a day, depending on how that date falls in there. But they will get mailed out the 6th or the 7th, or the closest to that is we can get. Well, we get a sneak peek of the kits. Now, keep in mind that these are surprise kits. So that means when you order a kit, normally they don't show you everything that's in the kit. We'll show you sneak peeks along the way, but we're not going to show you everything that's going to be in the kit, just because we want some things to be a surprise to you when you get it and open it up. We want you to have some things that you're anticipating that will make it even more special when you open that box up and see all the things. But we will give you some sneak peeks. And I will give you some sneak peeks of the projects that I'm making. I won't show the full project because these projects are exclusively to you guys that are signing up. It's not for everybody out there. The YouTube video will not be live on my YouTube page, so therefore nobody else will be able to see it except the ones who have the link, and the only people that will have that link are the people that are in the kit club. So but yes, we'll give you some sneak peeks along the way. I had another question about, will they be themed? Now, most of them will not have a theme. Most of them will just be different things. I'm not going to theme them to, oh, this is Valentine, let's do Valentine. This is Easter, let's do Easter. I'm not going to theme them like that, because there are some people that don't do a lot at Valentine's Day, like I don't. We don't do a lot at Valentine's Day. But the kits will be to where you can use the items in there to make Valentine projects if you want to. They will be They will not be themed Easter. I won't have little Easter rabbits in there probably, but they will be, the products that will be in there will be where you can use them for Easter projects if you want to. So you see, they're not exactly going to be themed, but there's going to be product in there that you can use a lot of different ways, lots and lots of various ways. Okay, I think that's most of the questions answered that I had. I tried to answer you directly on YouTube, the ones that asked, but just for those who might not have asked and wanted, let me see, I'm just reading over here. Well, I think that's it. But if you have any more questions in the morning, before you start to sign up, if you have any more questions, please ask them in the comments below this video, because please don't wait till after you sign up and then say, oh, I didn't know that. So if you have questions, ask them now. Let's get them answered before you sign up, okay? All right, guys, I hope I covered everything, and I can't wait to get this first kit out to you guys. I want to show it to you now so bad I can't stand it, but I can't. I'm not going to. I'm going to refrain. But I've already started on the project, so I will be putting the project together this next week, doing the PDF and all that, getting it ready to share with you, so can't wait for that. And we will see you in the morning. In the morning, I'll come on just for a few minutes probably and just give another quick reminder and give the link where you can go directly over and sign up. So keep that in mind. Remember, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. I'm in Alabama, so that's Central Standard Time. I'm only a couple of hours, maybe an hour, 45 minutes away from May, so we live very, very close. I did have a question as to what is my relationship with May. We are just really, really good friends. She is a super sweet woman, as most all of you know, and we're just really, really good friends. We've done a lot of things together over the years. I teach at all of her Made Cons, and I just love her to death. We just, if I need help, she helps me. If she needs help, I help her. We just share in everything. So I love being able to add her stamp to this kit. I am so excited to get this rolling, and hopefully it will be a big, big success for her. I hope that it will help her out as much as it does us. We will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you later. Bye-bye.